What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and today I want to do a quick unboxing. As you can see, I got a box, and it's not from Amazon this time. This one right here is from my military sergeant when I was in the military, and he's the one I tell y'all that I asked him about how often do he work out, because once I started doing my fitness stuff, I went to him and asked him how often do he work out. He said, I work out every day. And I'm like, say less. Once he told me that, I've been working out, and I still see him, and he be putting in that work. So I always try to support him and try to say thank you for the information, and also give him props and flower for motivating me to work out every day. But he also got like this work and lab stuff called labwork. It's called labwork, y'all. I'm gonna let you show. This is what they do. This like his main group. And I did it like, if you put hashtag labwork, if you type it in hashtag labwork, you're gonna see so many people who's going to doing fitness, about doing their work, putting in that positive work, and just doing something for themselves and their body. And it's a big group of them. And I said, you know what? I want to support yours because, that's what I wanted to do. And that's what this is. Let's unbox it, y'all. Let's unbox it. So, matter of fact, let's see if we can do it by hand. Nah, I ain't gonna, that ain't gonna tape he put on there is tight. It's tight. So let's see what it is. Open it up. And y'all know me. If I already told somebody, if I get something from somebody, I'm gonna talk to them about it. Like, hey, I got this from this person. I'm gonna put them in the hashtag. I'm gonna mention them about where I got it from. And let me show you. Look at this. Look at this right here. Lab work. I told y'all. He have like different outfits, shirts, hoodies, all different types for lab work. And there's a lot of people that work out and they have the lab work when they be working out to support the group. And I wanted to support the group as well. Look, he even got the thing on the side. Well, they ain't playing around, you know what I mean? We in the lab, you know what I mean? So I want to say thank you to Sergeant. It was my sergeant named Sergeant Bruner. But y'all can find him at Bruner1972 on TikTok. And that's where I normally see him at most of the time. But he posts on other places as well. Like I share him out on my Facebook as well. But I do see him on there. And then like I see something, I try to share it out so other people can see the work that he put in. But Sergeant Bruner, I definitely appreciate this. I ain't gonna be able to wear it this month because this month I'm doing the heavy bag, and downstairs trying to wear this in that heat box. In that heat box, it's not gonna work, brother. It's not gonna work. But I do appreciate it. I do appreciate it. I do want to get some other colors because I do want to rock some more gear, your stuff, so I can promote it as well. Because, I do a lot of workout as well. And I don't mind putting your workout stuff in my rotation with my stuff. That way I can promote yours and also promote mine as well. But I definitely appreciate this because, we about to get ready to go lab. We go to lab work all the time. So, but let me go and stop rambling, y'all. I'm just happy that I got this. So thank you, Sergeant Bruner. I really do appreciate this. I will also post this on TikTok so you can see it. And I will mention you in it because that's what I do. So make sure y'all go check out Bruner1972 on TikTok and go show him some love and watch his workout. You're going to see what I'm talking about. You're going to be impressed. You're going to be impressed because that man put in that work when he go to the lab because it's all about that lab work, you see? And he's going to let you know it's going to be about that lab work. So with that being said, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch. Make sure you drink water. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow. Make sure you get ready to put yourself in the lab because we about to put in some lab work. So with that being said, remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease, and support all the people that you like so we can all be successful. Holla! Yeah!